5 things I wish I knew where I was starting selling on Amazon. This is the subject of today's video. This is what I'm gonna talk about today. This video was suggested by Hydrotech right here on our Discord server because yes, we have a Discord server. I'm always hanging out over there answering everybody's question. So yeah, join Discord server, link in the description, tap in. And yeah, as I said, this video was suggested by Hydrotech. This dude is just 15. He's just starting. He's gonna like leave us in the dust. He got the right mentality. And he's gonna be a soccer star as well. So join the Discord server, you know, before he actually become a soccer star. And so at least you get to meet him before he gets famous. All right. So 5 things I wish I knew when I started selling on Amazon. The first one is that sales velocity is more important than return on investment if you want to scale, because it's super great to, you know, try to find those 150% return on investment item, those over 100% return on investment leads. But you know, it's not that easy to do if it's not that easy to spend all your money on that inventory if you have a lot of money to spend every day. It gets really hard super fast, and you need to sacrifice return on investment just to sell inventory faster. And like, I have a whole video on that, by the way, that I made on how to double your revenue, and we made some calculation in that video, and you'll see that just by reducing, if you are selling your inventory, your whole inventory, your day in inventory on average is 60 days. Just by bringing down your average day in inventory, like just reducing it by 10 days, you are going to double, like the amount of money you're going to make in 1 year is going to double. So you need to understand how important it is, and you need to have inventory moving fast. It's way more important than, you know, trying to find those home runs all the time. So this is the first thing I wish I knew, and this is something that I start implementing a little bit more every single day. I sacrifice return on investment for inventory that sells faster, and this is something you should do too. If this is something you should know, because when you start, of course, it's easy. It's better for you to actually find those, you know, greater return on investment leads to grow your capital faster, but this should not slow you down in spending your money. You know, at one point you need to sacrifice return on investment slowly, you know, a little bit more every single day to get faster selling items. In the beginning, it's fine to go for those home runs, and it's easier. But when you start having to spend $200, $300, $400, $500, $600, $700 a day in inventory in your business, it gets a little bit more difficult, right? And do not let this hold you back. All right. Second thing I wish I knew when I started is that you can request your payout daily by going to the payment tab on your phone. You can just go to the payment tabs in your Amazon Seller Central app, scroll down, and you have a button that says Pay Me. You can request your money daily doing this. This is not available right when you start, but like, it quickly becomes available. All right, in like maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks to 5 daily sales, I think. I don't know exactly when it becomes available, but it becomes available super quick. So, saying that, do not go with payability to get your money daily. This is a scam. It's not worth it. You're gonna pay 2% on every single time you're gonna request money, you're gonna pay 2%. It's not worth it. You're gonna lose a lot of money doing this. It's not worth it, because you can do the same thing with Amazon directly. And payability capitalize on sellers not knowing that you can request your money daily, right? There's going to be a small delay at the beginning, but after 2 weeks, you're just going to receive money every day, and you can reinvest that money every single day in your business. So do not go with payability and like daily payout stuff. Do not do that. Do not pay the 2%, because this is going to hold you down, you know, in the long run. Do not go with them. Do it with Amazon. Just, you're going to have a delay of 2 weeks, but like, it's not worth 2%. Believe me, it's not worth it. It's really not worth it. All right. Third thing I wish I knew: ungating is super easy. It is super easy. All right. Do not go with ungating services and stuff. Just watch my videos on ungating. I have a whole playlist, and people have been gatekeeping this knowledge for a long time. When I started, you know, it was not common knowledge. Like, nobody was talking about ungating, and people were selling ungating guides for a lot of money, right? I have, like, the stuff I share in my ungating videos is way better than any ungating guide you can purchase that any YouTuber sells. It's way better. All right, and those videos are free. Just check the playlist. You can get Ungated just for free. I mean, not for free. You still need to pay for the products that you're going to use to get Ungated, but you can get the knowledge for free. All right, so, and the knowledge you're going to get once again is going to be way better than any ungating guide you can buy from any influencer, from any YouTuber, from anyone making Amazon videos on this channel, because I know that the knowledge I share on my ungating videos is soon going to be on those ungating guides that they make you pay for. Do not pay for that. This is not worth it. It's super easy to get ungated. Do Amazon to Amazon, or just use any other methods that I share in my videos. Watch those videos, get ungated, start selling the brands you want to sell. But do not get ungated in every single brand, because you are going to get ungated organically, like without having to do anything in a lot of stuff. I did not have to get ungated on the account that I use right now. I did not have to get ungated in toys. I did not have to get ungated in Disney, in Star Wars, in all that stuff. I was ungated automatically. On a lot of other brands too, on Nintendo as well. A lot of big brands, I was just ungated organically just by selling, and those brands are going to open up by themselves. It's super rare that today I need to ungate brands to sell. It's super rare. Usually when I find a new brand, I either get automatically ungated, or like just like immediately by requesting, like just pressing the button on the app, or just, you know, or just the brand is already open. Brands that were gated before. So ungating is super easy, and the more you sell, the more like brands are going to be open, and you won't have to ungate anything anymore. It's a little investment at the beginning to open up those brands, but you didn't like it's going to open by themselves. Just ungate the few brands that you need to start selling, that you find a lot, and then you'll be straight. All right. Next, networking is key. And I feel corny saying that, because I was always saying, and even like, guys, get involved in the community, like join the Discord server, talk to people, start to you know, if people ask questions, answer their question and stuff. And because you are also like, the more you give, the more you're gonna get, and you are going to meet people that are going to help you. You know, I met a lot of people on the Discord server, and I'm so glad that I followed Badly's suggestion to make a Discord server, because I did not want to make one as well at first. I did not think people would join and stuff, because we were still a small community, and we are still a small community. But this is crazy, the amount of knowledge I got from people on the server. And as I said, the more you give, the more you're going to get in return. And you're gonna learn so much stuff, because Amazon is so big that there are so many strategies, so many sourcing strategies, so many things you can do, so many things you can sell, and just get involved. And you know, I was never the type of guy to get involved, even in school. You know, they always say, when you go to uni, they always say, hey, get involved, start to meet. I did not care at all. You know, I just went to school, go to my class, and then left and went back home. All right, this is what I've been. This is the way I've been all my life. You know, I never got involved and did stuff like that. And really, you know, I always thought it was corny to do all that stuff, but like, I learned so much, and the return on investment is so big. Like, it's not direct, but like, as I said, the more you give, the more you're gonna get. Start talking to people, whether it is on Discord, whether it is on I don't, do not go on Twitter, it's trash. But yeah, just start to meet people and get involved in the community, and you'll be surprised how much you're gonna get back in return. All right, so that was, I think that was number 4. Was that number 4? Yeah, I think it was number 4. Yeah, it was number 4. Number 5 and last thing I wish I knew when I started, and this is especially true. It is also true with retail arbitrage, but this is especially true with online arbitrage. It's manufacturing your margins is key. This is not easy to find products to sell profitably at MSRP, that you would buy at MSRP. And this is why I'm saying that it's also true for retail arbitrage, because if you just go to any random aisle in a store and you just start to scan everything, you're not going to find a lot of product, right? It's going to be super hard to find products. You want to find the discounted products, whether you are doing retail arbitrage or online arbitrage, and you want to add on top of that discounted gift cards, cashback, credit card cashback. You want to add all that stuff up and manufacture your margins, because the lower you can get your products, like the more you can reduce your price, the more of a chance you have that the product is going to be profitable, right? So if you go to the discounted section, and this is why, you know, when you do retail arbitrage, for example, stores like Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, all those discounted stores, what other stores do you like? All those discounted stores, you know, the dollar store, I'm not sure, like, because I never sourced over there. But this is why when you do retail arbitrage, those stores are so good, and this is why you can get great return on investment. This is also why people used to go, and I don't know if people still do it, because I think I heard that it's not as good as it was, but like the Walmart clearance aisles were super good, right? Same thing at Target. You need to focus on discounted items, right? Whether you are doing online arbitrage or retail arbitrage, you need to reduce your costs, you need to manufacture your margins. I have a video on that as well. And this is what's going to help you grow. Looking at product that sells at MSRP, your win rate, let's call it like that, your win rate, so the win rate would be the number of items you found that were profitable divided by the number of items that you check. If you just check MSRP products, products that are not discounted, your win rate is going to be super low. You need to maximize your chance, all right? You're going to maximize your chance by manufacturing your margin, being able to manufacture your margins, and this starts by looking at products that are on sale. All right, so that was the 5 things I wish I knew when I started. Shout out to our soccer star on the Discord server, Hydrotech. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow. I do not release the videos at 3 p.m. anymore. I'm trying different times to see what's working, but I will use a new video every day. This will not change. So subscribe, like this video, click on the screen on one of those videos if there's one that interests you. I talk about Amazon every day. My name is Mangunza. If you do not know me, I'm glad to meet you. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video.